Hi, I'm off to a festival. Severn Sounds Festival, where I'm closing the show. Does that mean they're putting me on to get rid of people? I don't know. So let's go and check it out. See some of the acts, meet some of the people, check out the vibe, man. Do you know what makes it even better? It's a beautiful day. Boom. Let's go. We are here at Severn Sounds Festival, and the first thing I noticed is there's Lauren
in his little old orchard shack. His real name was Jackson Taylor, but I called him Tony James.
She's rehearsing for when she goes on.
He ever knew. He played the banjo too.
Lolly Parton. She's going on stage in a bit, so we'll just let her get on with it. I'll show you a bit of backstage scene as we're here. There's someone else. They're everywhere. Carry on.
Hello, Tony James.
Yeah, there we go.
Where are you?
I'm here. Stood right next to you. Have you been drinking?
No, driving. Everyone else has been hammered. Makes a change. My public will know I normally am pissed.
Well, he's been honest, didn't he? Hey! And Ben is the guy who helped me sort out all this gear, actually.
This is it, perfect that. Yeah.
I've got an arm ache.
Yeah, but you're going to have big guns now. We've got Yes Lad on stage now. They've been made by the manager of Take That.
We could be the new boy band.
We are going to be the new boy band.
We are the new band.
You know.
So should we go and have a little look at Yes Lad?
Yes Lad.
Yes Lad.
To show the beach I was through. When I finally got sober, 10 years older, but oh well, it was something to do.
Look who I've just bumped into. Literally, not just a flyer, but only the band. How you doing, lads? You alright?
Good, how are you? Luke, Joel, Sonny, Lewis, Kian.
Oh, I'm Tony. Alright. So where can people find you online?
Twitter, Facebook, Instagram and Snapchat.
Yes Lad Band.
Now it's important, are you following Tony James?
I did it on the way up, yeah.
Was it you? Was it you?
It was me.
It's always nice to know who's behind the Twitter, isn't it? He's usually, no, you're good. You carry the boxes.
I do more than him, he just pretends like he does stuff.
What's your job?
I make everything bright because my name's obviously Sonny.
Yeah, what's your job?
I don't know, I'm just a scouser.
I'm just happy to be here.
What are the crowd like here?
I don't know, really good.
Are you going to stay? You're staying today?
We might stay for a bit.
You're going to go back
we've
up to
got a bit of a
Manchester?
trek to go home. Yeah, little Lewis is in school tomorrow, isn't he? So we've got to get him home and in bed and tucked away.
I've got something to tell you though, it's very important. As I perform as Blobbie Williams, these boys have been put together by a very important man. Who's going to tell us a little story?
We were put together by Nigel Martin Smith, who put together Take That in the 90s. So we just met Blobbie, so it's like the first celeb we've ever met.
Well, there you go, slob. Is it a slob? So it's like a celeb but fat.
Are you going to the Take That reunion?
Yeah, when's that happening?
We might try and blag some tickets.
Nigel, surely he's got contacts, isn't he?
Well, we'll just have to see, won't we?
I remember seeing Take That in a nightclub and they're wearing dungarees, so I'm very upset that you're not wearing dungarees.
Got all that to come yet.
Dance routines, jelly everywhere.
Jelly, mops. You've got to go and check out Yes Lad on Twitter, Instagram, Facebook, Snapchat,
Everything.
See you later, lads. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Bye.
Before we go, my name is Lewis and I'm 16.
You don't know what you're doing. What's happening? Have you had a good weekend?
Too right, mate. Severn Sounds.
Blobbie Williams? Well, Tony James, but I'm on as Blobbie Williams later. Laura's just showing me a dress. Which one?
This one, my dolly one.
Oh God! Look at this, look at this! It's all glittery. I don't think it would suit me though.
You might get your leg in it.
I might get my hand in it, that'll be about it. Let's have a tour of Lauren's boot.
Anna dress, an Elsa dress,
Elsa.
an Elsa wig,
There's a wig, there's a wig. This is a perfect, there's another wig.
dolly wig, Anna wig, Anna wig.
I don't know if you noticed, but she's very fond of her wigs.
Makeup.
A bit bored now. In fact, I'm really bored.
I'm going to get changed.
Who are you going to be?
Lolly Parton.
We'll get that for you.
Working 9 to 5, what a break to make believe. Really dancing by, some taking and from here. They'll just use your mind and they never give you credit. Enough to drive you crazy if you let it. 9 to 5, oh, my third man in the ocean. We think that I could be 30 grand promotion.
gate works, mate.
Only because I couldn't open the gate. He's getting all funny with me now. Hello, mate.
How you doing? You right?
It's only Mass Records. This is like big record company. Have you seen anyone who really stands out for you today?
Well, to be fair, there was a girl today, 8 years old, ukulele player,
Really?
singing. Yeah, Demi, her name was. 8 years old.
Are you signing her?
We've got to.
It's an exclusive on the Tony James show.
By the way, I don't work for Mass Records.
You're just a hanger-on.
Yeah, I'm just a hanger-on.
What a waste of time. Wait a minute, lads.
Hey! Well, y'all think going my fine out there?
Was it good?
Yeah, it's brilliant.
It sounded amazing.
Aw, thank
the
you.
audience liked it, didn't they? Absolutely rubbish, them two. This is it, the start of Lolly Parton on the road.
This is Lolly Parton on the road.
And since we did it for these guys, what's your Twitter?
At Lolly Parton, you can find me on Facebook, and you can also find me for Little Mix.
There's too much blagging here. Do you know what I
You
mean?
can also find me for Little Mix.
Little Mix.
with an EL instead of an L.
EL at Little Mix. And
I'll see you at
Done by Sunrise.
I'll
At-
see you in half an hour for Done by Sunrise, left the makeup.
Amazing. How is it? Enjoying that? You ready to go, lads?
I think so, yeah.
What's the name of your band?
Kick the Clown.
Give us a solo at least.
I can't solo.
Solo on the bass.
I can't do that.
All right, maybe a drum solo.
On what?
This is shocking, isn't it? Vocal solo. I've just found a bunch of absolute mentals. You want to say hello? You're right. No. Yes, keep saying it. I'm not sure what happened. I think they're excited for the show later, although it does seem like they're going. So, you know, maybe they're not.
Please go check out her.
What's wrong with his voice?
Don't know, mate.
Just a racket. Well, I don't know. I'm right.
Actually see.
It's not on, is it?
Sunrise are on right now. That's who's playing. I'm going on stage, I think at about 5 o'clock. Met some lovely people. It's such a nice day. It's just a real shame that you're not here. I don't know if you can hear me. It's Miss Worcester, not her. Miss Worcester is here at Severn Sounds Festival. Yeah! Because I've got to get naked and changed in a minute. They made this for me. Check this out. How tranquil and beautiful is this? So now I just get to chill out. I think that was my name. I better go and get ready. I've just come off stage. I'm absolutely dripping. Great crowd, great crew. You're not packing down, are you?
I am.
Packing down before I'm still wet.
I think you'll always be wet.
Well done, Scott.
Thank you.
You've been
You abused me.
hosting it all night and day and
No
weekend.
voice.
He's got no voice left.
Is this good?
He's been.
We've got a friend here.
We've got a friend. He's in Take Fats, all right. What do they want? What's happening?
Your friends?
Got people waiting. Who? Who's that? There's actually no one there. Did you enjoy it?
Absolutely brilliant.
Hang on, I'm all sweaty and horrible.
Done.
Brilliant job. You don't want to kiss Blobbie when he's just come off stage. It's stinky. Yeah, we're going to get a selfie. Let's do it.
Yay! Thank you.
We drink our
Keep it, come on. Get in here and touch me in the wrong way. We're doing more. Is that alright?
You're actually amazing.
Thank you. Sorry I'm all hot and horrible. Come on, we're getting there.
He's awesome.
I know. Awesomely sweaty. We're having a picture.
I was really impressed.
Not a happy face.
Smile.
Smile. She's mental. That one's mental. Don't kiss me, I'm alright.
Oh my God, you're right.
Why does she want to kiss me? I am annoying.
I know.
I'm brilliant, right? It's all horrible. Don't kiss it.
Oh, yeah, you are.
Mental woman, mental.
I'm not mental.
Yeah, we're gonna have a selfie with these. Do you have a good gig?
Yeah, it was amazing.
So people keep coming over. Oh, she did it. I got the burnt matchstick, I got this bloke here, and I got a beautiful woman back here. Now, apparently, are you going out with her?
No, he is.
He's going out.
Eventually,
right,
yeah.
You're going out, but you're not going out with her. But you want, and she wants. Which one do you want?
This one.
Anyone? Are you involved in any of this?
Exactly.
And we're going to stay in touch, and we're going to find how love blossoms with the burnt matchstick and this beautiful woman. Take care. Thanks for joining in. Did you have a good time?
I loved it.
Was it all right?
I really loved this bloke here.
But was it all right? Did it come across okay?
I thought you were fabulous as ever. Thank you so much.
That's very kind of you.
You're welcome.
My dressing room's over there, let's go. Before I stop filming, New Hope are here! A very tired New Hope who couldn't really give a damn. He's not stopped drinking since earlier and now he's trying to help people and he's bollocks.
I'm on the sick, remember?
He's absolutely wasted. Oh, he's on the sick, he's on the sick. Is he bollocks? This is what's left at the end. People are still having a little drink. Let's just check those out. You see that? What is that?
It's supposed to be a snowman.
When you say supposed to be, what's it turn out like?
A blob.